Morning guys, dito naman ngayon tayo guys sa spatan ulit natin guys. Almost every day this month guys, in December. Ngayon dito naman tayo sa spot natin with Rick. Si Rick to guys, oh. Yun, saka si Manong. Yan guys, may huli na siya guys. Ang laki ang huli yaw. Yan ang huli yaw. Malaking mama guys. Kita niya guys. Yan. Kaya tayo ngayon. Dito naman tayo sa spatan natin guys. Kaya first through natin guys. Subok muna natin guys. Yan dito ulit sa spot natin. Yan. Kasi Sunday ngayon. Doon may fisherman din doon guys. Oh. Like almost every day na siya guys. Yan. Mr. B, good morning. Mark, good morning. Mr. Foxo, good morning. And dito Pablo family. Shout out. Alright. Kaya try ulit tayo sa spot natin guys. Alright. Let's go. Paano mahuli natin dito sa panibagong spot natin. Alright. Ito yung meron dito eh. Oh, malaki-laki yan dito banda guys. Ayan. Yes, oh. Spatan to ni Bal eh. Kaya focus muna tayo guys. Kamalaki dito guys. Ayan. Spot ni Bal to guys eh. Kaya dito muna tayo sa spatan ni Bals. Morning Bals. O mo na mag-harvest ng alam mo dito Bals. Ha? Si Rector boy guys oh. Si mama guys oh. Ayun ang mama natin guys oh. Yan na yan. Umpisa pa lang yan guys. Mamaya-mayan going 15 pieces na yan guys. Kasi kapon 40-45 guys. Catching guys. Kuntis lang Mr. Big. Good morning. Enjoy lang. Guys, si Rick to mukhang balyay na yata nahuli oh. Tignan nyo guys oh. Puta, laki yata guys. Naku, puta, malaki nga guys oh. Yan si Rick to guys. Oh, ano pa? Talagang malaki ah. Oh, ito yan. Oh, nga sa isang ano yan, 1 kilo na yata yan guys. Oh, tayo na sabi mo, iniingit naman tayo ni Rick to guys oh. Kasi laking huli, wag mahulog dyan, baka mahulog pa sa tubig yan. Alright, smile Rick to boy. Thank you Rick to. Woohoo. Alright, tayo kita na yan. Simple lang, but rock. So, may bagong fisherman dumating guys. Kaya dito mo tayo, nag-moving tayo dun guys. Ayan guys, Laba lang, mama. Laba lang, Mr. B. Ayan guys. Oh. Nakatitig naman si Rick to boy. Oh. Kami fisherman din dito guys sa right side ko guys. Kaya enjoy guys. Iskos ko lang. Ayun ang huli natin guys. Oh, not bad na yan sa akin guys. Maka 30 minutes pa lang siguro tayo guys. Ayan yan. Yan. Enjoy lang kutis natin guys habang may kumakagat pa. Right? Enjoy lang. Palakas-lakas ko sa yan ang bait. Pagsu tayo ba guys? Dito guys nawala tuloy guys. Continuous na tayo guys. Alas 12 na guys. Kaya mayroon tayong pagkat sa atin guys. Yan. Yun ang uli natin guys. Yan, mikit 20 na yan guys. Tapos pa ito pa rin bago tayo. Dito pa rin sa spot ko guys. Doon si Recto. Saka yung basketballan yan guys. Saka yung nagpipishing doon. Nag-swimming kasi sa Happy Sunday guys. Alright, continuous lang guys. Yan Okay. Yan, natin guys. Enjoy lang Mr. B. Alright guys. Yan na guys yung spot natin guys. Nagliliguan na ng mga bata. Pero continuous pa rin tayo guys. Still there. This one is big size guys. Uy. Mama. Yan guys. Malaki-laki ito guys. Oop. Yeah. Ano sa atin guys? Continuous tayo guys. Oh yeah. Then we have a swimmer, but Papa Jerry continues catching guys. Continuous pa rin guys. Continuous guys, very close to the swimmer guys. My spot. But continuous tayo catching guys. See, look. Yes. May right side guys, may swimmer din guys. Nasa kagitnaan tayo, in the center. Si Recto nandun sa kabila. Alright. Ito na huli guys. Enjoy lang. Sit down. Happy Sunday guys. Yesterday, Saturday, today, Sunday. Happy Sunday guys. Continuous lang guys. Ayun guys. Ika itong huli natin ngayon. Yan naman. Yan naman. See that? Isa lot again guys. That's the one I tell you guys. If you have time, Sunday, Saturday, let's go to catching this si Mama Maputi in the beachside guys. Susupi basketball court guys. Okay lang. Alright. Alright guys. Si Recto Boy guys, nagbibilang guys ng huli ni Papa Jerry. Alright. Make it 20 yan. Yan. Puta, parang may fish pan talaga si Recto dito guys. 39. Ha?
39.
31. Sa'yo Recto, tingnan natin. 39. Tingnan. Oh puta, malinis niya guys. Marinis. Yun lang. Malinis yung Recto guys.
Malinis na.
Alright. Alright. That's the one I tell you guys. Come my spot with Recto, fishing and enjoying catching guys. God bless you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you guys. I love you Mama in the sea. And I love you Mama in the land. I love you guys. This is it. Catching today. Alright. See you soon again guys. Ay. Alright. Ito. Napon. Laki ito guys sayang ito pag hindi natin mabidyoan ayun lakas kaya atas natin yung mabuti guys ayun laki yan guys yan Malaki to. Ayun ang atin ako. Nag-try tayo ganyan sa ano. Sa atin na big rat. Kaya malaki nga nadali natin. No? Ninis na tayo guys. Mayroon naman tayo kapon. Nandito kami ni Ricto guys. Si Mr. Iglesia. History with the Ricto. But now I only me. I come back my place. This my big catching. Ayan o. Yan. Big Mama. Alright, conscious lang ha. Hindi ko pa na-load ng video. Baka i-together this one.